All right, so we are ready to sew up our sleeve. And this is the edges that I'm bringing together, the sides. And I've already done a little bit. And I'm going back and forth. And I'll loosen that up so you can see that I went into this hole here. So I'm going to go back into that hole and pick that stitch up, and I'll do it a few times. So I'm going back into where we just came out of, and then I'm going to go up in the next side, and then we're going to follow that pattern. So I'm going back into the same hole that came out of, and I just want to do one, and I don't want to go through any of the yarn. I'll do one more. So we're going back into the same hole that you came out of and up. So we're picking that. So we kind of have a little zipper there, and then we'll take this and we'll pull it. You see how it zips it up? And I like to give it a little tug so it doesn't get too tight. And that is it. That's how you sew that seam up, and you just go up as far as you want till your hole is as wide as you want it to be, or as narrow as you want it to be, to fit your style. And do that on both sides, and you are ready to go.